Alrighty, I got my package today. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it looks like it might have the battery and the rack. Alrighty, let's see what's inside. Lots of packaging. Hey. Oh, it's empty stuff, empty stuff. Ooh, packaging. Damn. Hey, it looks like I got my rack. Oh, that's good packaging. 48 volt, 3 amp charger. Oh, good sign, battery connector. Ooh. Screws for the mounting plate for the battery for the rack. Good charger. This charger is for lithium only, 48 volt, 20 amp. It's supposed to be 30 amp. Well, I hope it works with my 30 amp that I bought. Mounting hardware for the rack. Hey, this looks good. Got my little power meter. It's got the little rear light there that I was missing from my other one. So last one I got no light, no power meter. Oh, 20 amp. It's supposed to be a 30 amp. I don't know what kind of game they're playing. They give me a different setup. It's 20 amp, not 30. Alright, so that's the right charger for the battery that they sent me. It's supposed to be 30 amp, not 20. Well, at least I got my rack. Rear light. And my little power meter that was missing. So there's my light, there's my power meter. That's what I was missing from my other one. And now I'm just unhappy I got a 20 amp and not a 30 amp, but hey, what are you gonna do, eh? That's a seller for you. Sending you a wrong product and you can't get your money back, and it's all